Welcome to Wellness by Mommy. I hope you are safe and sound. In today's video, let's talk about what does a decrease in sperm count mean for men? Even with a lower sperm count, a man can still be fertile. A low sperm count has also been linked to coronary artery disease. While decreased fertility is the first health concern people may associate with dropping sperm counts, it is not the only one. A decrease in sperm count could be associated with a number of different conditions including testicular cancer, prostate cancer, and some forms of leukemia. A low sperm count has also been linked to coronary artery disease in men. While the link between heart health and sperm count is well documented, it still is not clear what exactly causes it. It could be that men who are in overall poor health are more likely to have heart problems and decreased sperm counts. There could be environmental factors at play that are impacting both the cardiovascular and reproductive systems. Genetics could also be at play. If a man has a familial history of heart disease, he may be more at risk. Same thing for decreased sperm count. Regardless of the cause, the fact that decreased sperm count could signal other problems means men should not only be worried about fertility if they learn their count is low or dropping. While they should consult with a reproductive urologist, they also should make an appointment with their primary care physician to assess their overall health. Men seek health care at a rate of 40% as that of women. This means they aren't catching potential problems in a timely manner that they would with regular health care. More research needs to be done into why sperm counts seem to be dropping among men. At the very least, the study needs to be replicated to prove its results. For the time being though, the news is a reminder for men to focus more on their health, for both their reproductive futures and their overall well-being. I hope you find this helpful. Please subscribe for more interesting, evidence-based, educative and informative videos. Like and share this video. Turn on your notification icon so you can be notified when next I drop a new video. I desire for you good health and long life. See you in my next video. Till then, stay safe and remain healthy. Peace.